Zara and the Snoring Sun. Welcome to GalaxyKids TV. Click on our bio to subscribe for more magical adventures. One bright morning, the sky over planet Wiggletop turned dark. Not nighttime dark. Not cloudy dark. But snoring dark. Why? Because the sun had fallen asleep. Zara, a brave explorer with a rainbow jetpack, zipped up to check. Zara, son, are you okay? Sure enough, the sun was curled up in a puffball and snoring like a sleepy dragon. Son, I've been shining so long. I forgot to nap. Zara knew naps were important, but the plants and planets needed sunlight, too. Zara, what if I help you power nap? Just 10 minutes, then you'll feel shiny again. She pulled out her cosmic lullaby flute and played a soft song while the stars dimmed. The sun smiled, snuggled in a space blanket, and dozed gently. 10 minutes later. Boom! A golden yawn lit up the whole galaxy. Sun, I feel sensational. Thanks, Zara. The sky returned to blue, the flowers stretched up tall, and all the planets gave Zara a warm, sunny cheer. And from that day on, even the sun remembered to take little breaks. With help from a kind kid and a magical flute. Thanks for watching GalaxyKids TV. Until next time, keep shining bright.